Mike and I are at Suvarnabhumi Airport. We are going to attempt to get the minibus to Cha Am. I've heard that we need to go to gate 8, so we'll see how we go. That's on the fourth floor? I think gate
so.
8, yep. Okay. Seems it's ground floor. Fourth floor's departures. So this is third floor. On our way to arrivals, that's on floor 2. Coming to arrivals because that means someone's coming to visit me. So this is where we booked our ticket. It's actually a big bus. Apparently the little buses go from Ekamai bus station. So that's what she told us. So we'll see how this goes anyway. It leaves in a couple of hours and leaving at 2:30, but it looks like she said it's arriving at 2:15, so I'm not sure. So we have a bit of a wait now, about an hour and a half, so we're just going to go upstairs and wait, see how we go. This is the basement level, so if you want to get a train into the city, into Bangkok, you can get it from down here. So seeing we've still got a couple of hours to wait, we've just come into this little restaurant on the basement floor where you get the train into Bangkok, and we're just getting a little meal before we leave. And it's called S Corner. Prices are a bit cheaper than upstairs. And this is the bus tickets. So it's actually, we need to be downstairs by 2:15 because the bus is leaving at 2:30. This is going to Cha Am. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. It's following this lady.
To be sitting down the bus, but never mind. Inside, outside.
is our time. 2 hours and 49 minutes. So we were supposed to get dropped off at Lodas, but we didn't. So we've just had a little bit of a walk, and here's our little car and Chris waiting for us. Can honestly say that was a good trip. Glad we did it. Mike and I are just at Suvarnabhumi. Hang on, take two.
I don't think you're going to be able to pronounce it.
I'll do 3 takes.